They stand with people who came into the kibbutzim, into a home. The parents hid the children, the two babies, in the attic, in a secret attic. They murdered the families, the parents. They found the secret latch to the hidden attic, and then they murder the babies. These protesters stand with them. They should be ashamed of themselves.
Disgusting show of support for someone that doesn't deserve our support. I'm ashamed that my tax dollars are going to the brutalizing of an entire people.
Netanyahu comes before Congress. I hope that for 1 second, the members who attend will focus just for a second on the starving children in Gaza. I hope while they applaud that they will think about the hundreds of aid workers killed, the dozens of hospitals bombed, the housing destroyed, and the universities obliterated. More than 50,000 children require treatment for acute malnutrition and are at risk of starving to death. So if you stand up and applaud that guy, remember the starving children that he has created. The children will carry the scars of this disaster for the rest of their lives. That is what Netanyahu is doing to the children of Gaza. He should not be welcomed to the United States Congress.